Most people think insurance protects their money. But what if, in quiet ways, it's also slowly draining it? Not through obvious charges, not through huge bills, but through small, hidden fees that show up every month, and most people never question them. And here's the strange part. Millions of Americans, students, young professionals, even people making decent salaries, are paying these fees for years without realizing what they're actually costing them. Imagine a pretty normal situation. A 27-year-old professional living in Chicago or Dallas, making around $60,000 a year. They've got the basics covered. Car insurance, health insurance through their employer, maybe renter's insurance for their apartment. Nothing fancy, just responsible adult stuff. Every month, the insurance payments feel manageable. $140 for car insurance, $90 for renter's insurance and add-ons, health insurance automatically deducted from the paycheck. It all feels routine. You glance at the bill, shrug, and think, yeah, that's just the cost of being an adult. But buried inside many of these policies are quiet little charges most people never notice. Policy administration fees, monthly processing fees, installment charges for not paying annually, service adjustments, small add-ons bundled into the policy. Each one might be $3, $7, maybe $12. Individually, they feel tiny, but that's exactly why they work, because nobody calls customer support over $6. Let's run some simple math. Say your policy includes just three hidden fees: a $5 processing fee, a $7 installment fee, and a $4 administrative charge. That's $16 a month. Doesn't sound like a big deal, right? But over a year, that's $192. Over 10 years, that's $1,920. And that's assuming those fees never increase, which they often do. Now, add the same type of charges across multiple policies: car insurance, renter's insurance, maybe later, homeowner's insurance. Suddenly, you're looking at $400 to $700 per year, quietly leaking out of your finances. And here's the crazy thing. Most people never notice, not because they're careless, but because of how our brains process money. When we see a $600 insurance bill, we pay attention. But when the bill says $143 instead of $132, our brain just shrugs. Whatever. Psychologists call this small cost blindness. We focus on big financial decisions, buying a car, choosing an apartment, negotiating salary. But tiny recurring costs, they slip under the radar. Insurance companies understand this perfectly. They know people will fight over a $50 premium increase, but almost nobody will question five little fees scattered across the statement. So the system quietly grows around those small charges. Not illegal, not even necessarily dishonest, just structured in a way that most people won't notice. Now think about the long-term effect. A 25-year-old starting their career might carry insurance policies for 40 years or more. If hidden fees average just $300 a year, that becomes $12,000 over a lifetime. $12,000. Not lost in a stock market crash, not spent on vacations, just slowly drained through tiny charges most people never question. And again, this isn't about blaming anyone. Life in America is already expensive. Rent keeps climbing, groceries feel ridiculous lately, student loan payments come back like a bad sequel. When your schedule is packed and your brain is fried after work, you're not digging through page 17 of an insurance policy looking for a $4. Totally fair. But financially aware people tend to think about money a little differently. They don't just look at big purchases. They pay attention to quiet patterns, small recurring costs, tiny subscription fees, extra charges buried inside monthly bills. Because over time, those small leaks become real money. Not overnight, but gradually. The same way wealth builds gradually, small expenses compound quietly too. Insurance itself isn't the enemy. Most people genuinely need it. but the structure around it sometimes includes charges we simply accept without thinking. And the moment you start noticing those patterns, you begin looking at money differently. Not emotionally, not aggressively, just more clearly. If this video made you see everyday finances a little differently, consider subscribing for more calm and realistic conversations about money.